how to use Indeed mobile app. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can operate the app. First of all, open the application. So as you can see, I'm in my home page. Here on the bottom, there are different sections like home, my jobs, messages and profile. So what does Indeed mean? Indeed is basically a platform where you'll be able to seek different type of jobs. Here you can even search for the categories, your location, and accordingly select different jobs. Here there are even different employers who keep their job so that other can apply easily. So if you fit into the description of what they say, you'll be able to apply it, and you can even send your CV and you'll be even selected directly from there. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.